coffee machine has a leak. Here are some tricks to try if your machine has a leak. Step 1. Pour cold water into the drip tray and look for the leak. Step 2. If it is from the front, try pressing your drip tray firmly into place. Step 3. If it's from the middle, check that the waste pipe is connected. Step 4. If the drip tray is overflowing, check the pipe further back. See if it has a downward flow and is correctly placed in the downpipe. Give it a wiggle and see if the drip tray empties. Step 5. If none of the previous steps have worked out, contact your service provider.